Okay, so here's an actual short video of the 57 acres. We just did the full one. This is the one I found where we actually check out part of the rock bluff. We're over the property. We're trying to track down the pickup truck. And there it is on the left. So we're parked on the ridge toward the east side of the property. There's the truck right there. We're parked on that ridge road. We're looking west, so we're going to look up in a minute. And off in the distance, you can see the clearing with the little buildings or whatnot. So that's about where we are. We're about halfway to the east down that ridge, and we're going to check out the bluff. The reason we did a separate video is because it's so hard to drop the drone down like into this area, because you can't really tell where the tree limbs are. And I knew if we clipped a tree limb and crashed, we would have to go retrieve the drone on foot, and I didn't want to have to walk that far, so we waited until we could pull the truck down to the east a little bit. Okay, so that's the gravel riverbed. That's the 11-point river, according to some maps we have. It's obviously dry. Like we said earlier, it's dry mostly throughout the year, but it does get water in it from time to time. Okay. But it's actually a really, really pretty riverbed. Massive gravel deposits and huge boulders. But what we were trying to do is get down and really show you some of this natural bluff, because it is so pretty. I think we get closer than that. There's several hundred feet of bluff on this property, and it's beautiful. It's beautiful. But I mean, you do have to walk down that little hillside to get there. Or you can come from the north side of the property, I guess, from the northeast side. Okay, there we're getting a little closer. So we're over the riverbed, and on the left you can see one of the bluffs on the property. And I think we get even a little closer. Years and years ago, I had actually walked more of the bluff on this property. So I'm familiar with this property and this area. We've been selling stuff right in this area for quite some time. That's a pretty good shot. It's a beautiful natural rock bluff. You've got some little openings in there. When I walked it years ago, there was at least one cave that was big enough that I could climb inside. It was really cool. Took a photo in there if I could find it. But I mean, this is like its own ecosystem, this 57 acres. I mean, it's just phenomenal. So gorgeous. So anyway, that was a short little video that kind of showed you a very small part of the rock bluff on the property. But yeah, InstantAcres.com to see if this is still available. Call us in the office, send us an email at sales@InstantAcres.com. Looking westerly over the north side of the property. Now we're panning back. You can see the little building site there. Very cool, awesome property. InstantAcres.com.